Hello everyone, my name is Anna, and in this video I will show you how to hack Blockblast. So first of all, it is not kind of like real hacking, but an assistance. You can search for Blockblast Solver on any browser. Here, you need to upload the screenshot where you want help. For me, I'm a bit confused here, so I will take screenshot and then simply upload my screenshot here. Now, it will analyze the situation and give you possible solutions. It includes a step-by-step solution, which you can follow. Blue figure indicate where you should place a specific block, so I will simply follow these instructions, and there you go. I have solved this one. Now you just need to continue and repeat the same process. Where you need help, take and upload your screenshot. But one thing to keep in mind, if you start playing on your own after this, there will be less chance that you are going to do high score. To put this in simple words, if you want really high score, you need to take screenshots for every step and follow those instructions, which is exhausting and time-consuming. So I recommend to play game entirely with its help, only half an hour a day. This way, you can make even a world record. Otherwise, even AI can't help you that much. So hope this video helps. Make sure to subscribe and like this video.